Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real English Conversation. I'm Rose.
And I'm Jack. Nice to meet you again, friends. Today's topic is the weather.
Yes, we're going to learn easy English phrases for talking about the weather. It's something people talk about every day.
Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps more people learn English with us.
All right, let's start our warm-up. What's the weather like today where you are?
Segment 1. Basic weather words.
Okay, let's learn some simple words. Repeat after us.
Sunny. When the sun is shining and the sky is blue. Example, it's sunny today.
Rainy. When water falls from the sky. Example, it's rainy. Don't forget your umbrella.
Cloudy. When the sky is full of clouds. Example, it's cloudy but not raining.
Windy. When the air moves fast. Example, it's windy. My hair is crazy.
Snowy. When snow is falling. Example, it's snowy. Let's build a snowman.
Great job. Let's listen again and repeat together. Ready?
Repeat words slowly again with pauses for learners to echo.
Segment 2. Asking about weather.
Now, let's learn an important question. What's the weather like today?
Try saying it with us. What's the weather like today?
Good. Here are some answers. It's sunny. It's rainy. It's cloudy.
You can also say, it's a little windy. It's very hot. It's cold today.
Let's have a listen, discuss, listen again moment. We'll play a short conversation. Listen first. What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
That's nice. Let's go for a walk.
Now let's discuss. Rose said, it's sunny and warm.
That means good weather.
Exactly. Now listen again and repeat each line with us.
We replay and guide repetition.
Segment 3. Mini role play.
Let's practice a little cafe scene. Two friends talking. Hi, Rose. What's the weather like?
It's rainy today. I have my umbrella.
Oh no, I forgot mine.
Don't worry. Let's sit inside and drink tea.
Perfect idea.
Good job, everyone. Now let's do it again. Listen, discuss, listen again.
They slowly repeat the dialogue again with pauses. Segment 4. More weather expressions.
Let's add some fun phrases.
It's a beautiful day.
The sun is shining.
It's raining cats and dogs. That means raining a lot.
Let's try these with examples.
I love summer. It's a beautiful day.
I can't go out. It's raining cats and dogs.
Great. Now repeat after us one more time.
They repeat slowly with pauses.
Wrap up.
Let's review what we learned today.
Weather words. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy.
Phrases. What's the weather like today? It's sunny. It's cold.
You practiced a real conversation and some new expressions.
You did great.
Now, here's our community question. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Tell us in the comments or in your study group. We love hearing from you.
And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to Real English Conversation.
See you next time for part 2. We'll talk about weather and your daily routine.